माई जॉब वॉज टू, एक कड़वी पिल होती है ना, उसके ऊपर अगर आप शुगर कोटिंग और चॉकलेट कोटिंग कर दें तो शायद कोई बच्चा वो ले ले. Major events happened. Perhaps you don't know, people don't know that Tahir was the first one to think of a satellite channel out of England, and his partner was none other than Amitabh Bachchan and Ajitabh Bachchan.
Please welcome my guest for today, Seema Tahir. NTM में आपने कोई प्रोग्राम किया?
एक प्रोग्राम किया था which was called अंदाज अपना अपना. I think there was some awards, PTV held it and it won gold medal.
बहुत सारे राइटर्स की होती है कि जो हम लिखना चाहते हैं वो कोई लेना नहीं चाहता.
Times have changed and most successful channels are also introducing issue-based content.
Yeah.
And it has worked. Television was a different experience and it appealed to the masses across board. Of that came about the metering and the
ratings की
and
जो
all
game
that
है.
was there for television. Always about mind over matter, not matter over mind.
Assalamu alaikum. मैं हूँ आयशा उमर and you're watching Speakeasy on 365 News. Inspirational women. There's so much to learn from women and it's about time that we all accepted that. मुझे लगता है कि अगर ख़वातीन को मौका दिया जाए, opportunities दी जाएं, मौके दिए जाएं, we can do wonders. And the women doing wonders in our country, when I count them on my fingertips, उनमें I'm talking about the top few women, उनमें the first 5 में मेरी आज की गेस्ट का नाम शामिल होगा. She's such an inspiring personality. I've known her for many years. I'm friends with all her 3 amazing daughters. And today I've gotten a chance to actually have a chat with her face to face. वो बिल्कुल television interviews नहीं देती. But now that she is doing amazing new things, she's ready to talk to us. Please welcome my guest for today, the CEO and founder of STK, which is Smart Technologies Kinetics, Seema Tahir Khan. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Seema Appa.
Thank you for coming.
I know you don't do this much. But
for you, since I know you since your childhood.
Thank you.
So I'm doing it for you.
Yeah, since the start of my career. I think जब मैं कराची शिफ्ट हुई after I graduated from college, उस वक्त you had entered the television space. Yeah. 2005.
Yeah.
That's when I moved to Karachi. Yes. I grew up in Lahore. And उसी वक्त TV1 was just booming, starting to... TV1 formed in 2005, right? Yeah. But at that time, I remember there were many ads and endorsements that I was a part of, and Interflow, of course, was at its peak at that time. जो आपने और आपके life and business partner, Tahir uncle, आप लोगों ने शुरू किया, and then you shifted to television. And now you've done another major shift, which is shifting to this space and starting this brand new production house called STK.
It's not a production
It's
house.
Not just a production house.
It's a media house.
It's a media house, which means that आप लोग बहुत सारी unconventional चीज़ें कर रहे हैं अब and moving with the times. So please tell me about STK. What is it? And it's your brainchild. So how did you come up with this?
See, after doing television, before that I was in advertising, you know that. And Tahir has always been an inspiration, whether he is going into advertising or the first satellite channel or taking on a bold new venture. So I have been part of his dreams and tried to stand by his side and do whatever is required in whichever field that he enters. So conventional television with 3 different channels, which was the News One and Wasib and TV1. I served that for 20 years. And then we decided that we should move into new ventures and we should try out the new opportunities available to us. So I've set this up and hopefully we will do conventional as well as non-conventional work here. So why is technology kinetics, unlimited creatives?
Unlimited.
So we're taking creatives to some new levels.
Wow.
Inshallah, hopefully, we will
Inshallah.
experiment and then we will also deliver.
Hmm.
So while we do conventional on one side, we will also be venturing into new areas. And I think it's about time that all of us who've had the experience of conventional television should look at becoming a broader, have a broader perspective and look at new opportunities and new bases.
Absolutely.
For instance, there should be more people trying out for OTT. There should be more people understanding the power of AI. So
I'm a little scared of AI, but it's about time कि हम अपने fears को अब side पे करें और
see,
dive in
again, it is a new, very, very bold and very demanding and very aggressive tool that we have in our hands. But let me tell you, it's always about mind over matter, not matter over mind. So the mind, the human mind and the human heart, if they are connected, they work together, closely work together, and they will dictate to AI till such time that the AI brain, the mighty computer brain takes over. So if you can rein that in, all those tools and those technologies, and go all out to do absolutely new, incredible creatives.
How do you stay up to date with these new technological advancements?
I have 3 daughters.
Yeah, I know. And they're all so wonderful. I have to say, Seemapa, मैं तीनों आपकी बेटियों को जानती हूँ.
They inspire me.
Yeah, and at this moment, I mean, अभी तो बहुत हम आपसे बातें करेंगे, but I just want you to, because I myself want to be a parent soon, कि 3 बेटियों को इस सोसाइटी में एक तो अपने आप को लेकर चलना, फिर 3 बेटियों को रेस करना, and to keep them grounded, humble, yet very, very inspirational. They're doing amazing things. दुनिया ट्रैवल की है उन्होंने, वो हार्डशिप से गुजरी हैं, उन्होंने स्ट्रगल भी किया है, उनको प्रिविलेज भी मिली है, लेकिन उनमें एरोगेंस नहीं है, उनमें ह्यूमिलिटी है. ये क्या टिप्स हैं पेरेंटिंग की जो आप देंगी टू न्यू मदर्स मे बी? या
माशाल्लाह, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माय 3 daughters, and अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि they are grounded people.
Yeah.
But a lot of that, the values and principles have come from their grandparents. They were very close to their grandparents. Both sides, the Dadi and Nani, were instrumental. And Dada and Nana were inspirational. And I'm grateful to Allah because they got the guidance they needed from there. And then they got the support that they needed from the father.
They did.
They didn't get much support from their mother because I had to be a little strict.
You were the bad cop.
I wasn't the bad cop, but let's say I was a mother.
You had to discipline.
So the mother had to question and, channelize them. And the father was the inspiration. So they are where they are because they got the best of both worlds.
They really did. क्योंकि डिसिप्लिन और मैं कहूँगी द फ्रीडम टू एक्सप्लोर, ये दोनों साइड बाय साइड चीज़ें चलनी चाहिए कि आपकी वैल्यूज इंटैक्ट हों.
This is what my father had done to me. He was a visionary. And when I was growing up and going to school, I was a very wild child. And my father said, rein your energies and focus.
Wow.
And I had to go abroad, so to an art school or film school, and my father was the one who said, yes, you should go, but before going, go to Europe, go to London and go to all the galleries and learn before you go into that area, because you need to know what the trends have been, what the thought processes have been of people who are creative.
Acha, let's get on to your life partner, your business partner. Thoda sa, I would love to speak about how Tahir Saab, when you married him, at that time, did you know that you're going to be a partner in everything, and did you want that? Ya us waqt aapko nahi andaza tha, and later on it all started.
Both passionate about a few things, and so when he when we got married, we were on stage at our wedding when our mentor was Javed Jabbar, and we started our internship and careers with him. Majid Saab and Javed Saab, they were our mentors. And then we wanted to know that we wanted to come into the creative fields, creative communication or something. And when he started Interflow, I was having my girls. So soon after that, I joined him, and that was the beginning.
With the girls very young.
Yes.
And how was that?
Well, as I said, grandparents were a big support.
Big support.
And then we were, alhamdulillah, we could afford full-time maids.
Help.
And then I had the energy to wake up at 6 o'clock after going to bed at 4, and had the energy to go and drop them to school, and then go home in the afternoons to make sure they have their lunch and they start doing their homeworks.
Amazing. तो उनकी जो first 10 years थे या first 15 years थे energy.
No, I think I'll very honestly say that it was till about 15 years of spreading yourself across all areas of work and parenting and socializing.
And how you balanced it. And you really balanced it well, mashallah. So, who's with you in this new venture? Which one of your daughters?
See, all three of the daughters are working
I know.
with the group, and but they have decided on their own disciplines. So Sarah is running radio, but she is giving more time to WWF. She is on the executive board of WWF, and she's also president of YPO. She's with CAP. She's on
doing
the board of
things.
many organizations. Summer is more conservative, and she is running an international digital company, which is called DHQ. She's running that. And Sahar is running Interflow now.
Wow. So, do you interfere with their decision making at all?
No.
No. Oh,
No.
you've given them now
No,
complete
they have the
authority.
freedom.
Amazing. But they come to you for advice.
When they do, they're most welcome to come.
They do. Okay. We have to go on a short break. But break ke baad, I want to speak about the new venture. I want to speak about where Pakistan is going and what we need to do at this critical time to see some improvement in the current situation. So, kahin mat jayega, we'll be right back. वेलकम बैक टू स्पीक ईजी. मैं हूँ आयशा उमर और इस वक्त मेरे साथ बैठी हैं द इंस्पिरेशनल सीमा ताहिर खान, और हम बात कर रहे थे ब्रेक से पहले. तो वी वर टॉकिंग, वी वेंट अ लिटिल बैक इनटू हर अर्ली डेज व्हेन शी गॉट मैरिड एंड द गर्ल्स वर बोर्न. सो हाउ डिड इंटरफ्लो स्टार्ट? हाउ, आई मीन, आई नो दैट एडवर्टाइजिंग तो एक फील था that Tahir Saab was in, but Interflow जब शुरू हुआ तो was it a joint brainchild of you both, or it was? Please tell us.
It was entirely. See, we had both met at an advertising agency, and both of us had future plans to get into communications. After marriage, it was Tahir's brainchild. And he decided on setting up his own company. He did a stint in Riyadh for another agency, which lasted a year. And he decided that he's not going to waste his youth in such a rigid, conservative environment. So he came back. And then he's decided to have his own company.
Right.
When he decided to have his own company, since I had a background of creatives and I had enjoyed working as an internee at MNJ, so I decided I wanted to do this with him. So initially my eldest daughter Sara was there, and I was working part-time. And later on, with the birth of the other two, I would extend my hours. And after the youngest one, after Sahar was born, I came whole hog into advertising. And then I spent nearly 25 years.
Oh. 25 years in advertising.
Yeah.
और उसके बीच में NTM भी आया.
उसके बीच में NTM भी आया, उसके बीच में major events happened. Perhaps you don't know, people don't know that Tahir was the first one to think of a satellite channel out of England. An Asian satellite channel out of England. And his partner was none other than Amitabh Bachchan and Ajita Bachchan.
I had no idea.
They started TV Asia in London.
Oh, wow.
That was the first satellite channel. And we had studios there, we had production there, we had Wembley was full of events that were happening in London. So that was a very exciting time. And then Tahir got he was asked to do the SAF Games for Pakistan and the Sabre Raffle. So that was another huge undertaking.
And which year was this? जब पहली SAF game.
NTM was, I think, 88. No, NTM.
90s.
NTM was 90, but SAF Games and Sabre Raffles were 88, 89, 90, and then NTM happened. So I was with him on the roller coaster seat.
Wow.
But I was holding on to Interflow.
Yeah.
So while Interflow was, Allah ki fazal se, it was the largest agency for over 15 years.
बिल्कुल.
You know, by the time it was 5 years old, it had become the major player. And by the time it was 10 years old, it had become an affiliate of Ogilvy worldwide.
Yeah.
And things were happening at such
High speed.
And I was there with Interflow through my pregnancies, 8 months pregnant, and I was shooting commercials.
क्योंकि उस वक्त जो commercials की boom थी Interflow में, मैंने I believe बहुत
You did a lot of
commercials किए थे
commercials for
Interflow
us
के साथ.
as a young girl. And so I would have 12 commercials to do in a month. And I would sit 10 down, 2 more to go.
Wow. And all the directors, Sare Saqib and Asim and Asad and all, they all started working
we had
with
Pyramid.
you.
We made Pyramid then for productions.
Yeah.
So Ruhail and myself were partners at Pyramid.
Ruhail Hayat?
Ruhail Hayat.
Oh, yeah.
And Ruhail and myself, then everyone came in. You name them all the filmmakers, all the producers now. We've had the honor and you know, it was a lovely time with young creatives working together. And Ruhail was there and the strings. And that was the time when we were doing Pepsi, and that was the time when we did the Choice of a New Generation and Dil Dil Pakistan. And
that iconic campaign.
I had to actually scold the vital signs. I had to scold the former Prime Minister.
Oh God.
But those were exciting
you
times.
You were scolding them. Of course, you were their boss. I mean, you were the director.
I was the director. Yeah. So someone once said, can I have a photograph, someone very famous, can I have a photograph with the producer? I said, the producer knows you as an actor, so my team will photograph with you.
NTM was I believe.
NTM was a venture which Tahir took on, and NTM he had people who worked under him, but he was always one to trust people and to delegate. So he trusted a lot of people and delegated a lot of work. But that was the time when new production houses came up, because they were all making content for Abdullah and was there, Abdullah Kadwani,
Seven Sky
and Jarji Seja, and all these people worked at NTM, and Tahir gave them full freedom to learn and to grow.
So NTM was the first private channel.
It was the first satellite channel.
Satellite channel.
Private channel. No, it was a terrestrial.
Yeah, because I remember उस वक्त सिर्फ PTV होता था.
Yes.
और मैं लाहौर में थी. मैं अपनी memory वो कर रही हूँ, and I used to do a show for PTV. I used to host a show called मेरे बचपन के दिन. और मैं इस तरह एक sitcom था जो NTM पे शुरू हुआ था. Was it College Jeans?
Jeans.
तो कॉलेज जीन्स NTM पे शुरू हुआ था. Then later it shifted to Indus. I'm not sure.
No.
No.
It was started at Indus maybe, but there were I don't know. I don't
कुछ था
remember
ही,
at
बहुत
when,
सारी
but it
चीजें
was.
उस वक्त हो
बहुत
रही
सारी
थी.
चीज़.
NTM में आपने कोई प्रोग्राम किया था? You directed and produced something?
एक प्रोग्राम किया था which was called अंदाज अपना अपना.
Yes. What was it about? I
It
don't
was
know the
about
name.
lifestyle and fashion.
Was it one of its first
It
kind?
was. It was at that time a contemporary program,
बिल्कुल.
and I think there was some awards. PTV held it, and it won gold medal.
Wow. So NTM
Gold,
की
not gold medal. It won an award.
It
the
won-
first award.
It won the first award. और NTM के कितनी देर बाद TV1 came into existence?
A long time.
A
after
long
that.
time after
TV1, NTM was there till about. NTM was there in the 20th century, and Airwaves Media, which was TV1, came first. उससे पहले वसेब आ गया था.
उससे पहले
Westave was the
वसेब
first. I
आया
think it
था.
was launched in 2003 or two. A regional, first regional channel, and then came TV1 in 2005, and then came News One in 2006 or 7.
So, from the beginning of your television career, I would say, Simapa, आपने जो भी कंटेंट बनाया वो उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज जरूर होता था. एंड आई नो दैट दैट हैज बीन योर लाइफ फिलॉसफी कि एंटरटेनमेंट सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट की हद तक नहीं होनी चाहिए, उसमें कुछ आप सीख रहे हो, कोई पर्पस हो. ये शुरू से आपकी फिलॉसफी.
कोशिश यही किया था.
So, am I right about this intention?
Absolutely.
Can you tell us?
Absolutely.
Okay, did that affect, the amount of work that was being put on air? Because लोग तो entertainment meaningless भी देखना चाहते
मैं
हैं.
आपको बताऊं ना, because I came from a discipline of communication, where आपको समंदर को कूजे में बंद करना होता था. You had to launch a brand, so you had to understand the universe of that brand before you launched it. So अगर एक वॉशिंग पाउडर आप लॉन्च करें तो उसमें आपको ये पता होना चाहिए था, पता होना था कि कौन उसको यूज़ करेगा.
बिल्कुल. टारगेट
और उसकी दिली ख्वाहिश क्या होगी. सो हम उसके ऊपर रिसर्च करते थे और उसके हम एक ब्रांड की बनाते थे, और रिसर्च के बाद हम उसकी टैगलाइन और उसकी एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन बनाते थे. सो आई अप्लाइड द सेम इन टेलीविजन, although it didn't work that way. Television didn't work that way. Television was more broad-based, and it is appealing to people all across. But again, we had to decide कि उसका television का tone and manner क्या होगा, television target audience क्या होगा. Are we aiming at the housewife or are we aiming in general?
Yeah.
And television also had its discipline. So if we were aiming at the housewife who was an aspiring young woman entering life of responsibilities, then we had to cater to her needs and her desires and her expression and her universe. So normally सारे television industry में जो stories आए, they were home based stories about young girls dreaming to marry, to meet a handsome man and to get married, and the reality is that girls faced some kind of obstacles and some kind of difficulties living in joint families and things like that. So all of that was portrayed through drama, through narrative. So television का थोड़ा सा broad based discipline था, and you had the luxury of words and episodes to express the whole thing, जो advertising में आपको शॉर्ट करना
एक 30 seconds का आपको मिलता है, and then you
so
had so much
you
time.
had to elaborate on her story. So television was a different experience, and it appealed to the masses across board. But again, television narrowed down to target audiences, and that came, the measuring of that came about, the metering and
much
the
later. Ratings की जो
and all
game
that
है.
was there for television. So I spent 20 years, and I think I was the first CEO of a news channel, which was difficult, but I had a lot of support from Tahir and from the director news and anchors. I had a bit of difficult times with people like some of the anchors.
So I think having your foot in every, like, what
Finger
analogy?
in every pie.
Having
I never wanted to be a jack of all.
But having your finger in every pie, I think, helped you to get a broader vision of everything. कि किस तरीके से हर चीज़ इंटीग्रेट हो सकती है, क्या क्या अब आगे क्या करना है. So that kind of added to your database as a person. जिस तरह एक कंप्यूटर का डेटाबेस है, तो आपको एक एक चीज़, अच्छा कि न्यूज़ का ये है, ये यहाँ ये हो रहा है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन आई जॉइन द न्यूज़ चैनल 365 न्यूज़, तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चली जो पहले नहीं थी. पॉलिटिक्स में क्या हो रहा है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक जिस तरह यू वर हेडिंग न्यूज़ 1, तो एक ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव था, वो भी मिल रहा होगा हर चीज़ का.
यस, ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव भी था, बट जो गुंजाइश थी जिस हद तक मैंने अपने बोर्ड से और अपने सेल्स वालों से मैंने सिर्फ ये रिक्वेस्ट करी कि आप लोग जिस तरह जो उसकी मैकेनिक्स होती हैं, जो उसके फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं, आप ज़रूर वो फॉलो करें. So yes, I was granted those 2 hours on both the channels.
What is the successful genre?
The successful is what everyone is. Commercial.
Commercial कि आप, you give people what they want to see. Probably. And if you give people what they don't want to see, you think वहाँ पे and what you think they should see.
I'm no one to say what they should
That's
see.
what I'm saying.
My job was to, एक कड़वी पिल होती है ना, सो मैंने ये एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी सीखा था कि उसके ऊपर अगर आप शुगर कोटिंग और चॉकलेट कोटिंग कर दें तो शायद कोई बच्चा वो ले ले, या कोई एडल्ट वो दवा खाने में आसानी हो जाए. सो दैट वाज द फॉर्मूला आई अप्लाइड फॉर taking the leeway of the 2 hours on TV1 or on News 1. I said, let's package it in such a way that it is watchable,
digestible,
whether they like it or not, whether it gets the rating or not, but make it presentable, make it watchable, make it immersive.
Yeah, immersive, what a beautiful word. और आपके अपने favorite projects कौन से हैं in all of these, in the serials that you directed and produced? अपनी top favorite कौन से?
See, I just did a few
direction
wise, but I did a few serials. But I just want to say that I came across the most remarkable actors and performers, and throughout I made friends, and I loved working with whoever I worked with, and hats off to them for having that talent.
So आपको लगता है कि जिन लोगों के साथ आपने काम किया, उनकी एनर्जी आपकी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनी, they impacted your energy field, or are you able to keep their energy to the workspace?
No, there were some of them who went beyond the workspace and became very close, and some who stayed at a distance but worked well.
It's very important.
It's very boundary form. Yeah. So some stayed at a distance. I didn't not entertain or try to take them beyond that point, but Alhamdulillah.
But Appa, I really want to know कि किस तरह, what is the art of keeping people at a distance without offending anyone?
My work experience before this is about roughly 47 years. And I've had the privilege or the opportunity to work with some of the topmost. Nadeem Saab, I think he was such a thorough gentleman. Vital Signs, all of them became buddies and worked for for a long time. And we became friends, and then with Ruhail I worked together. We worked together. So some of them who came into my workspace, other than working with them, were as professionals.
And do you feel that because you are assertive, you know what you want, और मर्द intimidate होते हैं assertive ख़वातीन से, ये तो of course it's given. Anyone who's out there working, हमें ये फील तो होता है. बट डू यू थिंक दैट उसकी उसने कोई ऑब्स्टिकल्स क्रिएट किए इस बात में, लाइक इन योर वर्क, व्हेन अदर पीपल वर इंटिमिडेटेड बाय योर प्रेजेंस?
आई डोंट नो हाउ इंटिमिडेटेड,
But could you tell that they were?
No,
No.
because I found everyone as passionate as I was while working with me.
So they were not intimidated.
I don't think they were.
Hmm.
I think they thought, or they knew more than me, and I let them.
That's what I was wanting to hear. That you have to let people think that they know more than you, even if they don't.
And some of them did. So-
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of them did and a lot of them didn't.
Yeah.
But that is the art of not, I guess, letting people feel intimidated.
My people who worked immediately with me at any project, whether it was doing a commercial for 72 hours at a stretch or shooting a drama for 50 hours at a stretch, I had to be bullish.
Of course. वो उन कुछ
I
times
had
होते
to be
हैं
louder,
कि
I had to be bullish,
Assertive.
I had to be assertive or a tyrant, but it was all part of the passion.
it's all part of the journey. It's all part of it. Okay, on that note, we're going to pause for a bit and take a little break. Welcome back to Speakeasy. मैं हूँ Aisha Umar and my guest for today is the inspirational Seema Tahir Khan. We've been speaking about her journey और अब बात आ गई है current moment की, what's happening right now with STK. What are the plans?
The plans are big. मुक़द्दर में होगा, अल्लाह की मर्जी होगी तो वो होगा.
बिल्कुल.
So what we've done with STK, we are now looking at the new technologies. We are looking at adopting those technologies, learning the skills to go beyond the expected and beyond the ordinary. So usme there are conventional production will go on. We also have content management as part of our the company, and that's also new innovative technologies that we are now engaging with.
So you have a tech team.
I have
Proper.
tech teams.
You have a tech
Yeah.
team. Great.
And I have outside the company too, there are partners who will be working.
Collaborate.
So we have not collaborative, but they will be working on our projects. Because you can't have 100 people team here, or you can't have. There are very few specialists in certain areas, so they will be, inshallah, combining their strengths with us to create something new.
Inshallah.
And at the same time, we have, alhamdulillah, we have 2 projects in hand which are Interflow created, and I will be going shortly into those projects. And
But किस direction में जा रहे हैं? Like you said, climate change है, sustainability है.
that is very close to my heart. I've been on the think tank for food and water and sustainability for the last 10 years.
बिल्कुल.
And I've done some documentaries, some PSAs, and I was very, very heartened when some of the lead actors helped re-endorse those Usman, Sabah and Ehsan and Adnan and Mikhail and all of them. They endorsed what I was trying to communicate, and I hope that you and others, the younger
Absolutely.
breed, will also do that. Climate change is a reality, and Pakistan is going to be very badly affected by
We
climate.
already are getting affected.
एंड हमें हर एरिया में हमें उसके ऊपर अवेयरनेस भी क्रिएट करनी है एंड सॉल्यूशंस भी देने हैं. हम दुनिया से बहुत पीछे हैं इन द सॉल्यूशंस दैट वी हैव. वी डू नॉट हैव अ फ्रेमवर्क of moving forward and addressing those issues. So how you bring those issues, highlight those issues, and how you get collaborative effort. So media will also have to play a role. And I did a serial for TV1 where the lead girl, the heroine, was an environmentalist. So she raises the consciousness of the people that something should be done to address the drought, to address the water scarcity, to address the importance of forests, the importance of nature. So she became the endorser and the advocate of that while she's falling in love and someone is falling in love with her, and the whole story is all about a love triangle, but all those messages were
वो
woven
being
in.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनली सारी चीज़ें subliminally आपको you know, like the media is it's a soft image of a country also. I'm not talking about news, I'm talking about जो आपका fictional content भी बन रहा है, और apart from the reality stuff, तो पूरी दुनिया में यूज़ होता है
Use होता है.
to put in messages, to you know talk about things जो आप openly बात नहीं कर पा रहे होते, और I think हमारे मुल्क में बहुत कम हम exploit कर रहे हैं.
Subliminally or in a very artistic manner.
हाँ, not in your face.
Not in
basically.
your face.
Not in your face के लगे कि आप एक preach कर रहे हैं. Not in a preachy way, I guess. So most of the projects that you're working on moving forward, वो subliminal होंगे या वो बहुत अब आपको लगता है aggressive narrative create करना होगा?
No, we have to create aggressive narratives, but with sweeteners.
बिल्कुल.
So with sweeteners and with, as I told you, engaging and immersive content. How you create it, that is, you know, every to each his own. How much he puts into it. But I think there's a need for researchers. There's a need for writers beyond the digest writers. There's a need for intellectuals to create narratives
Yeah.
that can be engaging.
बट वो काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट बहुत सारे राइटर्स की होती है कि जो हम लिखना चाहते हैं वो कोई लेना नहीं चाहता,
क्योंकि
वो कोई बनाना नहीं चाहता उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स.
अब देखिए, अब times have changed. Times have changed, and most successful channels are also introducing issue-based content.
They are.
And it has worked. So hopefully everyone will get there. And I'm not saying be sermonizing or being, rigid about it, but be creative
Be creative.
and bring in those messages
Yeah.
in whatever way you do, through a song or through a PSA or through, like I said, जब एक दफ़ा एक government थी, I won't name the minister, he was over at our house, and I said, please make it mandatory for every channel to give 2 minutes of public service messaging. Make it mandatory. But
2
it didn't
minutes.
happen.
It didn't happen. And now it's become the need of the hour.
It is.
क्योंकि इतनी चीज़ें हैं जिनकी अवेयरनेस अभी क्रिएट करनी है.
Most efficient government can also not give the whole narrative. It needs an integrated approach of experts, of planners, policymakers, planners, experts from any field, and media working together to create awareness, and then those stakeholders and challengers sitting in think tanks, sitting to give directions and also to monitor and challenge.
थैंक यू सीमा आपा फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम. बहुत टाइम आपका लिया क्योंकि इस शो के दौरान बहुत कुछ हुआ, और अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि मेरी एक आई थोड़ी सी स्वोलन और वाटरी है, तो ये नेचुरल हिस्सा है ज़िंदगी का. समथिंग वेंट इन माई आई एंड इट इज़ वाटरिंग, बट द शो मस्ट गो ऑन एंड द कॉन्वर्सेशन वाज so interesting and so powerful कि हम रुकना नहीं चाहते थे. So thank you for bearing with me, and thank you for bearing with me,
Thank
Seema
you for
appa.
bearing with me.
No, thank you for your patience, and thank you for tuning in. अगले शो में मिलेंगे. खुदा हाफिज़.